Hey, I'm Tamari Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these patched jeans out of these jeans I got from the Salvation Army. And then all these different patches are just old jeans. You know how you like rip shorts and like from pants to shorts, or like just little DIYs. I keep almost all my fabric, so this is a fun thing to do if you do that as well. So going to be showing y'all how I did that. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification button so every time I post you know what's going on. So thank you, and I will see y'all in the next one.
So what I'm doing right here is cutting the fabric or ripping it so it gives more of that distressed fringy look. And then since the part of the jeans I have are the ends, I'm cutting the hem off, so I just have patches of the jeans. So right here, I am placing the fabric on where I want it to go, or where I think I want it to go, before I glue it down, so I'm not just gluing it down guessing. So my roommate came in and kind of stepped in front of the camera, so kind of messed up the focus a little bit. So as you can see, I'm just using the fabric glue, and I try to just move the pieces of fabric over like I had them on the pants. Some of them messed up, some of them didn't, but it still looked nice. And then the way I glued it down, I try to just focus on the corners of the fabric so it was more laid down. And for some reason, my camera just randomly went out of focus, and I didn't even notice. So what I was doing was cutting the extra fringe and then kind of just gluing down the corners more where I thought it needed to be more glued. And I let it sit overnight and to dry. So I let the glue dry overnight, and this is my final look.